Oh my goodness, Malen, what is the matter with you right now?
I'm really scared of the thunder. It woke me up, and it's 2 in the morning. It was really scary, and I don't like thunderstorms, especially in the middle of the night.
Oh, for crying out loud, don't be afraid of the thunderstorm. We will be safe here inside the house. Now go back to bed and stop acting like a baby.
No. I will not go to bed. I can't when there is a lot of thunder outside. What? Make it stop, 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 make it stop. I don't like a thunder. No.
Malen, I'm serious. If you don't stop your childish tantrums and go back to bed, then you will be grounded even bigger time, and I will take away Squid Game from you.
I'm sorry, Mom. It's just that I'm really scared right now. Can you please get a teddy bear and rechargeable night light so I will protect from the scary thunderstorm?
Okay, Malen, I will get a teddy bear and a rechargeable night light. Okay, we will be right back. Alright, Malen, here's your teddy bear and the rechargeable night light.
Thank you, Mom, you're the best.
You're welcome, Malen. Good night, Malen, see you in the morning.
Good night, Mom. Okay, Mom, promise to behave myself and go back to bed. Wow, I love teddy bear and the night light so cozy. Wait a minute, I think the thunderstorm is over. I can finally go back to bed. Tomorrow is a big day. The scary thunder is back. Oh my goodness, I'm scared. I want to sleep inside the car, so I will open the engine or not. No. This is getting worse weather now. Why does it have to rain right now? This is getting worse right now, again, for a while ago, until now.
That doesn't work. Malen, I told you you are not supposed to act like a 3-year-old. And you are always throwing a temper tantrum acting like a 2 or 3-year-old.
No. I want to go to sleep in the car, not here, because there is a brownout, power outage, or ghost.
Malen, there is no reason to be screaming like a baby, especially in the middle of the night, when we're trying to get some sleep. Number 2, there is no ghost inside the house. And number 3, we cannot sleep in the car because we're going to be waste of fuel and battery.
For this, you will be grounded for 2 months. And this means the beginning of the school year, during this time. No Squid Game, no All of Us Are Dead, no Stolen Lives, and as a matter of fact, you will not be watching those shows and now, because it's forbidden, strictly prohibited to watch them.
Don't ground me, don't ground me, don't ground me, don't ground me, don't ground me. And especially, don't take away Squid Game from me. Because I like that show.
Malen, you're grounded, and that is final. Now go back to bed.
What?
Stop it. Just stop it.
Somebody please stop scary thunderstorm. I better go hide in the closet, because I'm safe, no way you can get me. I am so safe of thunderstorms.